We are going to use our Android phone as a security key for our Facebook account. So we're going to open up our Facebook app and we're going to hit the hamburger in the top right corners, hit settings and privacy, settings, password and security, and we're going to scroll down to use two-factor authentication and then select security key. We're going to register a security key, and you can register all kinds of security here, but we'll use device with screen lock. You'll be prompted with your screen lock, and then you're going to hit done, and then you can hit the three dots and choose edit name and put in whatever name you want. In this case, it's Google Pixel 6 Pro. And you can hit the three dots again if you want to remove the key at any time by turning it off and by inserting your password and hitting continue. And that's it, my brothers and sisters. Later.